Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 6 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log using email address and password is provided by the administrator. Math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 maths. There you can find a list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter decimals, and the lessons we are going to cover today are convert decimals to mixed numbers. What decimal number is a list? Put decimal numbers in order. Word names for decimal numbers. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is convert decimals to mixed numbers. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important lessons and examples as well. Got it? Let me just write down the lesson name, that is convert decimals to mixed. Convert decimals to mixed numbers. Okay, here I am on grade 6 maths. The chapter is decimals and I am on the lesson convert decimals to mixed numbers. Got it? Let's just start with the first example. How do you write 0.25 as a fraction? So we are given with a decimal. We have to convert the decimal to the fractions. Got it? So how do we convert 0.25 as a fraction? So 0.25, first of all, we have to write the decimal in a fractional form. Got it? So just remove the decimal point. So remove the decimal point and you have two digits right after the decimal. So it will be 25 divided by 100. Got it? So we have to write the answer in the simplest form. So just find a common number that can divide both numerator and denominator. So it would be 25. So divide them by 25. Got it? So 25 divided by 25 is 1 and 100 divided by 25 is 4. So it would be 1 divided by 4. Got it? Okay, it would be 1 divided by 4. Okay, the next one is 1 divided by 4. 0 0.1. How do you write 0 0.1 as a fraction? So first of all, write the decimal as a fractional form. Remove the decimal point. So add a 1 for decimal and right after the decimal you have just one digit. So add a 0. It would be 1 by 10. Got it? That would be the simplest form. Got it? The next one is 0.25. Got it? 0.25 is write the answer in the decimal form. So add a 1 for the decimal point and right after decimal point you have two digits. So it would be 25 divided by 100. Got it? You have to write the answer in the simplest form. So divide the numerator and denominator by a common number, that is 25. Got it? So 25 divided by 25 is 1 and 100 divided by 25 is 25 times what number is 100? 25 times 4 is 100. Got it? So it is 1 over 4. Got it, everyone? So just select the, okay, we are on the tutorial. Let's just start with the practice questions. Got it? Click on the test button. Okay, the first one is write 0 0.5 as a fraction. So we have to write 0 0.5 as a fraction. Got it? So first of all, write the decimal number into fractional form. So here you have 5 and right after the 5 you have just one, right after the decimal point you have just one digit. So it would be 5 divided by 10. Got it? Now you have to find a common number that can divide both numerator and denominator. So the common number is 5. Got it? 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 10 divided by 5 is 2. 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 2 makes 10. Got it? So it would be 1 over 2. So the correct option is 1 over 2. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is how do you write 0 0.2 as a fraction? So you have to write 0 0.2 as a fraction. So how do we write? It would be just write 0.2 as a fractional form. So it would be 2 divided by 1. You have one digit right after the decimal point, so it would be 2 divided by 10. Got it? So divide them by a common number, that would be 2. The common number is 2 that can divide both numerator and denominator. Got it? So 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Got it? So the correct option is 1 over 5. So the correct option is 1 over 5. So option number C is the correct option. That would be 1 over 5. Okay, the next one is you have to do 0.25 as a fraction. Got it? How do you write 0.25 as a fraction? So just remove the decimal point, write the decimal into fractional form. So it would be 25 divided by 1, and you have the two digits right after decimal. So you have to add 2 zeros. It would be 25 divided by 100. Got it? Yes, we can divide them by 25. Got it? So it is 25 times 1 is 25 and 25 times 4 is 100. Got it? So the correct option is 1 over 4. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, how do you write 0.1 as a fraction? So it would be, first of all, you have to write it as a fractional form. So it would be 0.1. It would be 1 over 10. Got it? So the correct option is 1 over 10. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is how do you write 0.5 as a fraction? So which is the correct option? You have to, we can write it as, just can write in the fractional form. So it would be 5 divided by 10. Got it? So let's just divide both of the numerator and denominator by a common number. So the common number is 5. Got it? So 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 2 is 10. So it is 1 over 2. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Option number 3 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. The next one is how do you write 0.25 as a fraction? So write the 0.25 as a fraction, so it would be 25 divided by 100. So you have to divide them by a common numerator and denominator. Divide them by a common number. Got it? The common number is 25. Got it? So 25 divided by 25 is 1 and 100 divided by 25 is 4. So it is 1 over 4. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact and tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? The next one is what decimal is illustrated. The next lesson name is what decimal is illustrated. Okay, the next lesson is okay, what decimal is illustrated. You're given with the illustration. You have to see, you have to calculate the decimals. So the total small squares are 100. Got it? So you need to see out of 100 how many of them are colored green. Got it? Just count the lines. 1 2 4 5 6 7 8, 8 complete lines and 2 boxes. That means 82 of them are colored green. Got it? That means the picture shows 82 hundredths. Got it? So it would be 0.82. Got it? 82 hundredths. So it would be 0.8. So if you write them in a place value chart, it would be like this: 0.82. 0 is at the ones position, 8 is at the tenth, and 2 is at the hundredths position. Got it? It would be 0.82. Got it, everyone? Okay, let me just move on to the next example. Okay, here it is. What decimal number is illustrated? Got it? So let's see: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the total are 10, and out of the 10 how many of them are colored? Just 2 are colored, so it would be 2 divided by 10. Got it? And 2 divided by 10 equals 0.2. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test questions. Okay, what decimal is illustrated? It would be the small boxes, are 100. Got it? Out of the 100, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 of them are colored from the first row. Got it? So it would be 7 over 100. Got it? 1, let me just count. I think yes, it is 7 over 100. So 7 over 100 equals 0.07. Got it? The correct option is 0.07. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it, everyone? No one is answering. Why? Is there any problem? If you already know the answers, please write the answers in the chat box. Okay, what decimal is illustrated? Which is the correct option? The total small boxes are 100. Got it? And out of the 100, how many of them are colored? 82 of them are colored. So it would be 82 divided by 100, and you can write it as 0.82. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. The correct option is 0.82. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is what decimal is illustrated. So which one it is? The total rows are 10. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The total rows are 10. And out of the 10, how many of them are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them are colored. So it is 6 over 10, and 6 over 10 equals 0.6. Got it? So the correct option is 0.6. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, what decimal number is illustrated? Which is the correct option? It is the total squares are 100, and out of the 100, how many of them are colored? So out of the 100, 51 are colored, so it would be 0.51. Got it? The correct option is the second one, that will be 0.51. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. What decimal number is illustrated? So which is the correct option? Please write the answer in the chat box. Which is the correct option? It would be it would be 0.87. Got it? Because the total small squares are 100, and out of the 187 are colored, so it would be 0.87. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is what decimal number is illustrated. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? They are 10, and out of the 10, just one of them is colored. Got it? So it would be 1 over 10, and 1 over 10 equals 0.1. Got it? No one is answering. Is there any problem? If you have any question, any problem, you can just write the question in the chat box. Got it? I will answer all your questions. So it is 0.1. Okay, what number is illustrated? Which option is the correct one? So which is the correct option? The total small boxes are 100. So out of the 100, how many of them are colored? So out of the 100, 73 are colored. Got it? So it would be 0.73. Got it? Okay, which decimal number is illustrated? So which is the correct option? Just 13 divided by 100 equals 0.13. Got it? The next one is what decimal is illustrated. So which is the correct option? It would be R 10 to 10, 4 are colored. So it would be 4 over 10, and 4 over 10 equals 0.4. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, decimal number, which is the correct 28. Yes, that would be 0. The correct option, and click on the OK button. Okay, you can test by yourself. order name. Decimal in order. Okay, you do notebook practice questions for this lesson. Got it? Okay, lesson is word decimal. Oh no, the next lesson is word names for decimal. Got it? We have to learn the word names for decimal numbers. Got it? So it is 32 in words. Basically, we're going to learn if we have the decimals, how do we learn their names? Got it? So it is 0.32. So you have just make place value chart. 0 is at the ones position, the tens position, tenths position, and 2 is its position. Got it? 0 for the position. Just look 32. Got it? So it is okay. How do you write 0.8 in words? So just write down in the place value chart. So 0 is at the ones position and 8 is at the tens. So you can write them as, okay, so you can write them as, so 8 is at the tens position. So you can just write them as 8 tenths. Got it? The correct option is 8 tenths. Just look at the place value of the 8, it is tenths. So you can write it as 8 tenths. Got it? So the correct option is the last one, 8 tenths. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, write 400ths as a decimal number. So you have to write the 400ths. That means 4 is at the hundreds position. Got it? Just make a place value chart. It would be ones, tenths, and hundreds. So it would be 0 and 4 is at the hundreds position. You are not given any other digit. That means you have an other 0. So it would be 0.04. Got it? The first option is the correct one. Got it? Just understand the place value. Write the numbers on the place value. You'll get the word form. So it would be 0.04 is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is write 1/10 as a decimal. So which of the option is the correct one? You have to write the 1/10 as a decimal. So it would be 1 is at the 10th position. Got it? So yes, 1 is at the 10th position. You have ones and tenths. Here you have 0 and here you have 1. So it would be 0.1 is the correct option. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is write 1500ths as a decimal number. So you have to write 5900 as a decimal. So just write the place value chart ones, tenths, and hundreds. Got it? So 0 is at the ones position, 5900. It would be 59. Got it? So that would be 0.59. Got it? Select option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is write 6300ths as a decimal. So which of the option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Which option is the correct one? You have to write 6300ths as a decimal. Yes, that would be option number 1. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, how do you write 0.32 in words? So which of the option is the correct one? You have to write 0.23 in words. So the two options are 32 tenths, 32 10 hundreds, 32 hundreds, and 32 thousands. So which of the option is the correct one? Just make a place value chart. Got it? Got it? So 0 is at the ones position, 3 is at the tens, and 2 is at the hundreds. Got it? So just look, this value of it would be 100, so it would be 32 hundreds. Got it? The option number 3 is the correct option, 32 hundreds. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, write 4/10ths as a decimal number. So which of the option is the correct one? You have to write 4/10 as a decimal. You can write the answers in the chat box if you already know the answers. So how do you write 4/10ths as a decimal? Option 1 or option 2? Yes, that would be option number 1. Got it? 0.4 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, how do you write 0.4 in words? So which of the option is the correct one? 400ths, 4/10,000s, 4,000s, and 4/10ths. So which of the option is the correct one? It is 4 tenths. Got it? The option number 4 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is how do you write 0.26 in words? So which the option is the correct one? 66 thousands, 66 tenths, 66 ten thousands, and 66 26 hundreds. So which of the option is the correct one? It is 26 hundreds. Got it? The correct option is 26 hundreds. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. How do you write 0.51 in words? So which of the option is the correct one? Just look at the place values. Got it? 5 is at the tens position and 1 is at the hundreds position. Got it? So the last most digit 5 is at the tens and 1 is at the hundreds. So the last most digit is 1 and 1 is at the hundreds position. Got it? So it would be 51 hundreds. Got it? So just select option and click on the OK button. How do you write 0.9 in words? So which of the option is the correct one? You have to write 0.1 in words. So it is, the correct option is 9 tenths. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, write 94 hundredths the decimal number. So which of the option is the correct? 94 hundredths. That means the last position. Got it? So it would be 0.94. Got it? So just select the correct option on the OK button. Write 21 hundredths as a decimal. So which of the options is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Yes, very good. That would be option number 2. 0.21 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is write 99 hundredths as a decimal number. So which of the option is the correct one? First one or second one? Yes, that would be 0.99. Got it? Just select the correct OK button. How do you write 0.66 in words? It would be 0.66 hundreds. Got it? Option number 2 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Write 2 tenths as a decimal number. So which option is the correct one? Yes, very good. That would be 0.2. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, how do you write 20 hundredths as a decimal number? So which of the option is the correct one? Yes, that would be 0.20. Got it? Okay, the next one is, okay, we have done with the lesson. So you can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of the lessons we have discussed today. We are working on decimals, and the lessons covered are convert decimals to mixed numbers, what decimal number is illustrated, then put decimal numbers in order. You don't have any test questions or tutorials available. You can book if you have any problem with the lesson. Either you contact me in the interactive session, or either you can ask help for the any tutor. Got it? And then we did the last lesson, that is word names for decimal numbers. Got it? If you have any question, you can ask question. I'm here to answer all your questions. Okay, please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. Got it? That's all for today. Bye everyone.